हाँ स्क्रीन हो जाएगी। अब आपकी चेहरा देखिए, आप बहुत चल रहे हैं। आपकी अच्छा यही लगेगा। हाँ किसका बोला? हाँ हाँ ओके।
Morning, everyone.
ओके
My today's presentation topic is fake news detection using machine learning. Firstly, I am introduced to your to each and everyone. My name is Raful Chauhan. I am from district Bishnor, UP, and recently I have done the MCA from GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management, Greater Noida. In my graduation, I did BCA from Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad, and currently I am doing internship on DevOps. In this internship, I am learning DevOps tool like Docker and Jenkins, Ansible. That's all about me. So let us start. The topic is fake news detection using machine learning. And this is table of content, introduction, problem statement, objective, background, proposed workflow, tools used, conclusion, and there are some references. This is the abstract of the project. As we know that fake news are spread on social media very rapidly, day by day increasing. So false news causes so many problems among people. False news creates violence or harmony between peoples. So the discovery of false news on social media reveals unique features and challenges that meet existing algorithm for obtaining information and mainstream media effective or ineffective. It means that the fake news does not be spread over the social media because it creates so many problems. This is introduction. Fake news exists way before from social media, but in multi-fold when social media was introduced. Okay, so news was initially the fake news. Not fake news. News should be checked whether it is fake or real. Fake news is a news designed to deliberately spread hoaxes and disinformation. Fake news is like a bullshit news. Suppose I said China attacked Delhi. This is a false, but some of the people think this is right news. Fake news is spread through social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, etc. Social media apps like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp help to spread the fake news. How many of us receive forwarded news in WhatsApp daily? We receive and send the fake news on WhatsApp. I think it happens daily. You can see in this example, passes it please good news Wuhan's coronavirus can be cured on 1 bowl of freshly boiled garlic water. And we already know that this is purely fake news. Old Chinese doctor has proven its efficiency. Many patients have also proven this is to be effective. 8 cloves of chopped garlic, add 7 cups of water and brings to bowl. Eat and drink the boiled butter garlic. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
How many of you can verify the present probability of winning before leaving? I think its answer is 0, or we can say that only 1% of people, or we can say, or 1% of us, we can verify each and every piece of news we read before believing it. Sometimes news comes to us and we don't read and forward to others or so many people. WhatsApp is a very best example to spread the fake news. In India, WhatsApp is a platform most vulnerable to fake news. Millions of Indians, a vast percentage is uneducated, using mobile internet innocently, forwarding good morning messages every day, as seen as most vulnerable to fake news. And this happens in our daily life, so you know very well how fake news are spread rapidly. The example of fake news. This fake news causes many problems directly and indirectly. I have already talked how fake news causes many problems directly or indirectly. Suppose Muzaffarnagar riots of 2023, fake video fueled viral passions. Second point is President Kovind made Twitter and debunked gains 3 million followers in 1 hour. Republic, C News, TIA sector, GPS. This is all about the fake news. How fake news causes many problem directly or indirectly, which I talked to already. And this is my the problem statement. It is difficult to determine whether it acts in actual. And the second problem statement is fake news influence people with perceptions. Here, perceptions mean thoughts or opinion. Difficult to identify the authenticity of the news and the online content. Okay. And now this is the objective of the project, which is fake news detection using machine learning. The subject aims to develop for detecting and classifying fake news using passive aggressive algorithm. Passive aggressive algorithm we will discuss in later. The main goal is to identify fake news, which is classic taxification issue. Okay. Our goal is to develop a model that classify a given news article as either true or we should we should check whether a news is fake or true. This is, I think, not explanation to need. Yeah, okay. This is a proposed workflow model. So first of all, we will note the data set, and the data set contains lot of information, and information may be true or may be false. Second step is split the data set into 2 parts, and which 2 parts are? First one is training data and second one is testing data. Training data means whether the news are in a training mode, and testing data means कि news in check mode, whether the check mode means whether the news is false or true. Third step is processing the data set, and fourth one is extract the future from the pre-processed using TF-IDF vectorization. TF-IDF means transport factor identification detection frequency. Using classification algorithm, train the model with feature extracted training data. Test and validate the model with the test data. We use classification of algorithm PA. Passive aggressive. PA means passive aggressive to model and validate the data loaded. Tools use this project which is used to develop by the following tools. The implementation of our model will be in Python using necessary Python framework and library. First one is Scaled. Second one is Jupyter Notebook. Third one is Kaggle dataset. And fourth one is the passive aggressive algorithm for TIFTF vectorization. Kaggle dataset means the dataset which contains thousands or lakhs of news which might be false or true. Conclusion, that is the task of classifying news manually requiring depth knowledge of the domain and expertise to identify anomalies in the text. Okay. And this technique provides improved detection result compared to other classification algorithm. So वही है जो मैंने अभी तक आपको बताया है, समझाया है. And next one is the references. There are some references from with the help of research paper. And now thank you for giving this opportunity.
Prepared for this detection of news, is it fake or not? Have you prepared any code for this? Yes, yes. Is it visible to us? Okay. So you have used Python. Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have used Python for this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the difference? Many of other coders have already framed this type of code. So, why your code is different from them?
Your voice is so much break. Please repeat the question which you are.
I'm asking that what is the criteria to justify the news fake is or real? How you can justify that the news is fake or real?
This code helps to detect the news whether the news is real or fake.
Because the
And
most of the
this
newspaper
algorithm data that news will go into the data set, and the data set has to be divided into two parts, general data set and specific data set. If the news is true, if the news is right, then the news will be general data set, and if the news is false, the news will be going specific data set.
Okay. So what are the technologies used in this project, front end, back end?
Sir, this project is developed in Python, Python programming language, which and second technology is distributed notebook, which execute to help them, and code editor, which is Visual Code. And the third one is used Kaggle data set. Kaggle data set contains lot of news which are both right, false, and true. And fourth one is the TF-IDF vectorization, and last one is Skyline, which is a Python library to detect the news whether the news is false or true.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
My side is done. If you have any question.
Yes, yes, sir. Okay, Prabhu, thank you for your presentation. No, sir, I have no question. Thank you, Prabhu, for joining with us. And okay. We will give you feedback after evaluation of and kindly submit the documents I have sent you through email.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We will give you your feedback for sure after evaluation. Okay. It will
Can I get certificate?
yes, yes, you will get certificate, and if committee will approve or your project will be selected in Ministry of Education, we will give you, we will try to provide you a patent for your project also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Prabhu.